Okay, let's examine this tiny little torch. Hello everyone, Nash Rathbone here with another flashlight review. It's the Hugsby XP-1 from Gearbest. Just look how tiny this thing is. It runs on a single AAA battery. Yep, there's the battery then. Really tiny. You may remember, or if you've probably seen my other video of the Hugsby XP-2, let's take a look at the XP-2 alongside it. Wow. Really small. In fact, there you go. Roughly 90mm long. Very small little thing. Okay, so what do we have here exactly? Well, what we have is the same head and the same tail cap and the same clip as the Hugsby XP-2 that runs on two AAA batteries, but this one, as you can see, has a smaller body on it to accommodate a single AAA battery. You've got the clicker on the back here, which is I believe is a reverse clicky. You can just gently push it in when it's on. You can just gently push it in, and you get a momentary action, reversed momentary action. It's either on, and then you can just gently. There we go, reverse clicky. It's got the usual very nice clip on it, just the same as my Hugsby XP-2 there. You've got the same, obviously it's the same head, so everything's the same. The nice orange peel reflector here. Let's have a closer look. So there we go, there's a little emitter down the end, and the orange peel reflector. I believe it also might have an anti-reflective coating on the lens there too. Let's have a look. Well, we've got the macro lens on. Let's have a look at the rest of it, shall we? If we get into focus, there we are. As I say, there's some nice knurling going on there. There's the Hugsby logo and model number lasered into the side. Moving along to the clip. And the little tail cap. It's exactly the same tail cap as the XP-2. As you can see, look, very nicely finished off in there. Okay, and we have the little rubberized, rubber covered clicky. There you go. Quite bright then, even in daylight. Okay then, let's just take a look at a few carry options for this little fellow, shall we? Okay then, here we are with the world's scruffiest shirt. Let's try it in the pocket. Nice. Looks just like a pen. Here's a couple of options for pocket carry. For a start, alongside your pocket knife. Or even in the little small jeans pocket that you get, will go in there. Here is my preferred option. Let's get rid of the XP-2 and pop in the XP-1. Look at that. You'd hardly know it was there, look. Brilliant, really low profile. In fact, I think Mrs. Rathbone has got her eye on it to go into her handbag. Anyway, let's get some nighttime shots in so you can see how bright it is, and then I'll be straight back again. Here is the beam profile then. Okay, so here we are outside with the baby Hugsby. Alrighty then, let's send the Hugsby up the garden. Here it is, and up we go. 25 feet. Here's one of the bay trees. Okay then, so on the left the baby Hugsby, on the right the XP-2. Let's compare the beams, separate them out a bit. I think the XP-2 is a little bit brighter because it's got the 2 batteries in it, but yeah, let's turn the XP-2 off, left with the XP-1. Not bad. XP-1. What's it like for navigating a path along? Yeah, it's okay. The ferns right down the side of the mansion here. More sliding about out here as usual. A couple of snails in the grass. Check this slug eating a fat pellet we put out for the birds. Check this out. Certainly appears to be enjoying that then. That's just awesome. Alrighty then, we better get it back inside then. So there we have it then everyone, my review of the Hugsby XP-1 from Gearbest. What I'll do is I'll put a link to the product page on Gearbest in the description below. I'll also put a link to the Hugsby XP-2 product link in the description below, and I'll include a link to my review of the XP-2 down there as well. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, please feel free to subscribe because this will actually help my channel out immensely. And click like, dislike, etc. I don't mind that at all. In fact, I like the feedback. If you've got any questions or comments on this little torch, please pop them in the comments below and I'll get right back to you on that one. Well, once again everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time around for another flashlight review. Catch you later then. Bye.